tutorial video on how to navigate our course on Schoology. When you open up our course page, mine's going to look slightly different than yours, but we're going to find the Phys Ed 2 section 7-9, and we have a picture of our rowing machines up here in the weight room. So we're going to click on that, and in your home page you'll see all the different folders that we have available. So our Getting Started folder, general information, community discussion forum, some resources that you may need, and where you will find this video that you've already found since you're probably watching now in our troubleshooting section. Everything we need will be right here. If there's any updates posted to class, I will pin them to the top. So when you open up your page, the first thing you will see is any updates, pertinent information that I need to get to you for class. And if for any reason you need to get in contact with me, my contact information is listed within the syllabus, but you can also Schoology message me by hitting this button right here up at the top. We're going to want to start in our Getting Started folder, and as we continue on throughout the semester, we will add assignments and sections, which those folders will be located here. So if we hop into the Getting Started, we're going to find our objectives for the class. By clicking on that Phys Ed 2 right at the top, that's hyperlinked, this will always take you back to your home page. General information, we'll find our syllabus, course introduction, classroom policies, which we're in our Getting Started folder. But if we click on our syllabus right here, it's going to take us to a Google Doc, which we will go over on the first day of class. Again, Schoology, fairly easy to navigate. The biggest thing I can help you remotely is if you hit this messages button, which will then allow you to send me a message, in essence a text message, to my Schoology account, and I will be able to respond and help you through there. When in doubt, we get lost, check out this quick video again. Courses. For this section, we're always going to look at the rowing machines. And once you are in a folder, if you need to backtrack, hit that hyperlinked Phys Ed section 7-9 at the top.